Welcome students. I am Dr. Rashmi Tyagi and I am a doctorate from IIT Roorkee in the subject of chemistry. And let's discuss today about the solids, which is a very important part of chemistry. The solids. All of you know about them. Already you have studied that certain substances are solids and certain substances are liquids and gases. And actually liquids and gases, they are also called as fluids because they can flow. You know about liquids, they flow, and even gases, they also expands. So we call them as fluids, and this property is called as fluidity in both the gaseous and liquid state. And in gaseous and liquid states, the molecules are free to move about, in all possible directions. But if we talk of the solids, then we know it already that the molecules are fixed, and that is why they are rigid. The molecules of the solids or the atoms of the solids, they can only oscillate about their mean positions. So there is also a binding force amid these molecules and atoms of solids. Now it is very important to know about the properties of solids and the structure of solids, because the solids have got well defined structures, most of the solids. And these solids, if we want to use them for the help of mankind, then there are so many avenues. You know about so many solids, isn't it? The metals also, metals are solid, that copper, then platinum and the silver, gold, and mercury is also a metal, but it is in liquid state, so we cannot take it here. But we can give desired properties to the solids, and about nanotubes, that is from carbon, it is called as carbon nanotubes, and how tough it is. It is as thin or maybe thinner than aluminum, but it is stronger than steel. And now the scientists are trying to make sheets of carbon nanotubes, and even if AK-47 or whatever, if you just fire it with that, it is not going to break. It is that strong, and that is the nano state of the metal or the nano state of the substance, we will say. The carbon nanotubes are going to be the future. And in the same way, we are going to, maybe all the scientists, you are the budding scientist, are going to do some discoveries, some research to have biodegradable plastics, and which are showing the properties of plastics, but at the same time, they can be, biodegradable, not like the present plastic which you are not using. And then we have got some surgical implants inside the body when it is required. So that should also be biocompliant solids. So this is how you can expect the future researches to be given to the discovery or making some new solids which can help the mankind. Now let's move and come back to the exact properties and the structures of solids in the foregoing discussions. And so, first of all, let us discuss about the properties of solids